Hello everyone. Today we will read about neutrons. So you can see here three types of particles are there, that is neutron, proton and electron. Neutrons are large with no charge, protons are large with positive charge and electrons are small with negative charge. So what is now isotope? First we will read about normal atoms except for hydrogen. Because it has only one proton and no neutrons, every atomic nucleus is normal. Matter is made up of both protons and neutrons. Typically, the number of protons and neutrons is the same, and the protons in the nucleus are positively charged and they repel each other. Therefore, the neutrons who are neutral, they separate the protons slightly, making the atom stable. Now isotopes. An isotope is a variant of an element with a different valency of neutrons than is typical. Okay, it is a variant of an element. It have different neutrons but same protons. So that is why it is a variant of a same element, same atomic number. This makes a nucleus unstable. Now isotopes and radioactivity. Isotope is radioactive if the nucleus is unstable. Most isotopes disintegrate spontaneously by the release of energy by process of nuclear or radioactive decay. When the nucleus changes in structure, energy or subatomic particles are given off. Other than radioactivity, isotopes behave similarly to the natural variant. When controlled, the radioactive isotopes can be valuable medical tools. Example in gamma camera. They can produce images of soft tissue and radio pharmaceuticals are injected into the or ingested into the patient. Now simple reaction types, you can see reactions occurring in this picture. We will discuss about it later. First we will study about synthesis, decomposition and exchange reactions. Now what is synthesis reaction? It is combination or anabolic reaction when two or more substances combine to form a single compound. It is called synthesis reaction. It requires energy in order to take place. The general form of a direct combination reaction is A plus B, which will combine and form AB, where A and B are elements or compounds, and AB is a compound consisting of A and B. Examples of combination reactions include 2Na plus Cl2 will form 2NaCl, formation of table salt, and 4Fe plus 3O2 will form 2Fe2O3, that is iron rusting reaction. Now decomposition reaction, also called catabolic reaction, the opposite of a composition reaction. A compound here is broken down. The generalized reaction formula of a chemical decomposition is AB decomposes into A plus B. Now exchange reactions are also called transfer reaction. Atoms are moved from one molecule to another. Here example is A plus BC will form AB plus C. Here exchange occurs between these two compounds, that is BC disintegrates and it will form join combine with A and form AB and plus C. Now based on reaction type we just discussed, how would you categorize the reactions below? First of all, first one will be a synthesis reaction where you can see their combination reaction is taking place, and second one will be decomposition reaction. Now mixtures, compounds and solutions. Mixtures and compounds. Mixture is a physical combination of two or more pure substances, that is elements or compounds, and a compound is a chemical combination of two or more pure substances in a fixed and definite proportion. Here the examples are mixture iron and sulfur. Iron filings may be mixed with powdered sulfur in any proportion. The two components are easily separated by means of a magnet. The magnet will drag out the iron from the mixture. The components of a mixture usually can be separated by physical means such as distillation, evaporation, and etc. And compound example is iron sulfide, pyrite, or fool's gold. However, if 7 parts iron fillings or powder are mixed with 4 parts powdered sulfur, it is a compound, and mixture is heated to a red glow. Uh, Iron and sulfur form a compound iron sulfide, chemically combined and not readily separated. Now, here we will discuss about solutions. Solutions are mixtures in which one substance is dissolved in another, and solutions have two parts, solute and solvent. So, so the substance that does the dissolving action is called the solvent. Remember, the water is a universal solvent. And what is a substance that is dissolved? It is called solute. And the solubility is a measure of how much of a given substance will dissolve in a liquid. A substance that does not dissolve in water are called insoluble. Example, oil is insoluble in water, and a substance that does dissolve in water is called soluble. Example, sugar is soluble in water. Thank you for watching this lesson and have an awesome day.